I was in Playa del Carmen, and today I was going to take the boat to the famous island of Cozumel and drive all around it on a scooter. Hello, I'm here now at the Muelle Marina. Today I'm gonna go to the famous island Cozumel. Just gonna get my boat ticket here and then head into the ferry. I'm here now and I just got my boat ticket from Playa del Carmen, the famous island Cozumel. This is the Muelle Marina and it's gonna take about 30 minutes to get to the island. The boat ticket cost me 180 pesos, which is about $10 US. The boat was coming into the marina and we were all getting ready to board the ship and head out to the ocean. Alright, now I'm on the boat. Let's go see what there is outside. The island of Cozumel is located 20 kilometers or 12 miles off the coast of the mainland of Mexico. But where exactly is it? Mexico is located just beneath the United States, and Cozumel is an island off the coast of the Yucatan Peninsula in the east part of Mexico. The boat ride takes about 20 minutes and comes into the biggest town on the island, San Miguel de Cozumel. The island of Cozumel has 100,000 people, and 80,000 people live in the town where the boats come in. The island is 50 kilometers long and 16 kilometers wide and has an international airport. The Caribbean Sea is surrounding the whole island with the incredible blue colors of the water. There is also a road that goes almost all around the island. My plan was to get the scooter and drive one lap around the whole island. Hello everybody and welcome to the island of Cozumel. Just got off the ferry and it seems like the coronavirus situation is getting a lot better here in Mexico. What I've heard is that everything is going to be open again on the 1st of June, even the international airport. People were starting to come out on the streets again in Mexico, and on June 1st everything will be open again. Here we have the famous Cozumel sign. This island is actually really big, but it's possible to drive almost all around it since there's a road that goes almost all around the island. Along the road we have really famous diving and snorkeling spots. Soon will be a great time to go to Cozumel because you will almost have the whole island to yourself because there are not many tourists now. Now I'm here and I'm gonna try to rent a scooter to go one lap around Cozumel. Hello, I just got my rental scooter. I paid 350 pesos for one day. That's almost $20 US. And here is also a shipwreck right next to the pier. And there's also another shipwreck out there that you can swim out to. But now I'm gonna drive one lap around the island of Cozumel. I started driving along the ocean road, heading down to the southwest part of the island. I was going further down the island and passed by a few hotels. Then I decided to stop for some snorkeling. Driving here along the water, it looks really, really untouched and really, really clean. I stopped here on the side of the road and it's really, really empty. So quiet. It's really nice to drive along the beach like this. The water was really incredible and the temperature around 25 degrees Celsius, which is about 80 Fahrenheit. Unfortunately, I didn't see much of a reef, but it was still really amazing. I came into a little cave that was really cool, but I decided to keep driving. Now I had passed by an area where you had some hotels along the beach. This area was more green and closed in to nature, but soon I would come out to the beach again.
I've been driving for a while now and I haven't seen the beach actually, but it's pretty cool here because it's kind of like you're driving through a jungle.
I had made it out to the very south part of the island. Unfortunately, roads and hotels along the way were still closed. There is a beach further up the area called Playa El Sierlo, where you can see a lot of starfish. I had learned that there are beaches almost all around the island, but the middle part of the island is really flat and dry. I had also learned that on this side of the island, the waves seem to be much bigger, because the wind tends to come from this side.
Here in a place called Punta Sur, and I think it's the end of the island actually. The waves are a bit bigger here, but the water is really incredible. Alright, time to jump in and try it out. Sea temperature must have been about 25 degrees Celsius, 85 Fahrenheit. Really nice and refreshing. And now we're gonna continue the drive to the rest of the island.
It was really windy, but still a nice breeze, since the weather outside was so hot.
Now I'm going again. Very nice.
I stopped and bought some water here in the middle of nowhere. They have a little shop here. 2 local people that sell water and some food. But let's keep going. I had been driving along the beach, but on this side of the island, I almost didn't see any buildings at all, only beaches.
I stopped again. I'm gonna do some snorkeling here because the water looks really incredible. Look, very nice.
I was on my way out to go snorkeling, but the waves were high and the visibility not as good as the snorkeling on the other side. Cozumel has some of the best reefs in the world, but then you need to go on a scuba diving trip a bit out from the land area. I managed to swim out a bit, but I still didn't see any reefs. However, I still had a great time.
Alright, I'm gonna keep driving now. I think most of the reefs are actually on the side where I was earlier. Stopped here again. Now I'm up on some little viewpoint. I'm more than halfway around the island and you see really nice beaches the whole way. Here we have some beaches that I just passed. It's been really flat the whole way, but the beaches are really nice. No elevation almost, but really nice beaches.
I kept driving and and had almost made it to the end of the road. This is where you have to go left and head back to the town of San Miguel.
I'm here at the sharp left turn because this is where all the roads end.
I drove back to the town and there was nothing to see on the side of the road the whole way.
Alright, I'm back here in town, kind of. I'm just gonna go check out the hotel zone now where we have most of the hotels.
I came back to the town, but decided to drive on the last road on the island, leading up to the hotel zone. It's located in the north part of the island.
I've seen all of Cozumel. I drove one lap around everything. And now I came to the most famous area here, the hotel zone.
In this area we have all the resorts and the golf course. It's also where the roads end. But in the north part you have some really green areas.
Here we also have a little boat marina, bunch of sailboats and other nice boats by the hotel zone here. Alright everybody, that was the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, leave a comment if you want, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.
In the coming weeks I'm planning on going to more famous places in Mexico, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see those places also. Thank you again for watching, see you next time.